Hey guys, today I'm gonna try to give you some tips and tricks on how to create a successful clan. So the first thing you want to do is, if you have a good account already, you want to create a alternative account, like 3 or 4, just to so you could donate to yourself and you don't have to rely on other. So you don't have to wait. And my second tip is, like, when you start recruiting, you could make sure they're active and stuff. But usually I try to recruit lower bases, so that way when we go to war, and if they leave, it doesn't really affect you that much. But if you have somebody that's a higher base and they bounce on you, then you'll be in trouble. And the next point I want to give to you is, like, when you're building, make sure you leave one builder for walls, because I've been playing for 8 years and I haven't finished the walls yet. These walls are like 7 million a piece. So just leave that one builder so it could build the walls. So you don't want to waste any loot, when your storage is full. And my third tip is, always try to be as active as you can, and always try to donate as much as you can. And you see my donation. I've been low on donation lately because I've been working on my YouTube channel. But as you can see, I'm at level 300, going to 301 soon, and that's because of all my donation. So I just multitask. And you see my profile. I've been donating, friend in need here, over 2,790,000 troops. And because of that, I got 300. I'm up to 300 level, and the top players haven't even got to 300 yet. As you can see, the top 100 player haven't got to 300 yet. That's all because of my donations. Okay, my number 4 tip is, like, when you start a clan, make sure you put in the description what's important to you. So for us, if you don't play a clan game, you're gonna get kicked. That's the first thing that I put. And so, I mean, we always want to try to find active player. And if you don't if you don't get any score on the game, you're not very active. So we usually kick 20 or 30 people out every season. We always look for the most active player. And my number 5 tip is, when you build your base, always work on your offense first, your heroes and your troops, spells and all that, before you work on your defense. Because in war, they match you up how strong your defense is. So for instance, I've been using this strategy for a while, and just check out our warlock. We had a 23 game winning streak, and we just lost to this better team. But usually we always win because of our low defense and high offense. And in the war league, you always want to go low, since you got lower player, so you could get a better opportunity to find easier opponent, and so you could get opportunity to get more loots, more perk points to build up your clan, and more stars, so you could get the maximum medal for that league. And we achieved that, and so now we're moving up because we have reached to level 10 now, and we just started this clan a year ago, and so we're making progress. So this is what I mean by low defense and high offense. See, one of my player, for no more, his profile, he got 2,232 war star, and check out his base. He got no defense. He got one cannon, and that's about it. But Supercell won't let you do that anymore. So what my tip is, get the defense, but don't upgrade your defense. Get your base all the way to level 11 and get your warden. This is the main guy right here. Once your warden is maxed to level 20, he will protect all your troops and heal your troops. And your war is going to be so much easier. Yeah, for example, this is Lolo, and working on the warden right now, but everything's level 1. All the defense are level 1, but the warden is level 14. Trying to work on that. And the dragon's maxed out, so, and make sure the lightning is maxed out. Those are the 2 key troops that you need to max out for war. So this is a good example. So a variable unknown 14 went down 2 and hit 16 and only got a 64%. And Lolo is number 19. And so let's see if Lolo can 3-star going up. Okay, so we're scouting the base right now. This is the strategy. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 air defense and a queen right there by the expo. So this, we're gonna go live right now and see if we can take down this base. So lightning strike the air defense. So we got 3 air defense down. Now we're gonna get the corner hut. Make sure you always get the corner hut. Then you want to drop your loons where the queen is and away from the sweeper. Drop all the balloons first to get rid of all the air mines. And then your dragon, your hero. Now you're gonna rage the CC. Freeze them. Use your warden. Use the Inferno. So you never want to place your air dragon right in front of the sweeper. That's the secret too. Always kill the queen first and the CC. But once you use a dragon attack, you really don't have to worry about the CC. So just worry about the queen and the air sweeper. Always go behind the air sweeper or on the side of the air sweeper, because they will slow you down big time. Easy 3-star. That's the one of the strategy that we have. So number 19 took down their number 16. So in regular wars, you always want to attack 2 down from the first attack and cover the second one. So you don't want to hit your mirror. So yeah, that's the tip I got for you right now. If you got any questions, comments, concern, or want to check us out, please leave a comment. And if you like this video and if it helped you, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you next time.